In this video, we'll explore the powerful Cutout add-on of the design to manufacturing software, which allows us to export a fully designed panel project into a DXF or E3 file. These files can then be used in production with nVent's panel shop automation machine, the Mod Center. The nVent HOFFMAN Mod Center is recognized as the most versatile automated modification solution for the machining and building of electrical control panels and enclosures. The HOFFMAN Mod Center automates the traditional, lengthy, and costly process of control panel building, such as, but not limited to, measuring, marking, drilling, tapping, milling, etching, and much more on any material control panel or enclosure quickly and consistently, including explosion-proof. Let's open up the Cutout add-on and talk about the options available in the tool. Graphic levels are the layers where each listed feature will be saved. We've pre-selected the layers preferred by the Panel Shop Automation Mod Center software. Graphic color sets the color that will be used for each feature on the generated output sheet. Customizing this color ensures data translation for the fabrication machine. For example, cutouts are green and restricted areas are blue. Sheet and DXF output properties control the naming and destination folder for the chosen output options. Here, we'll demonstrate E3 sheet generation and create a DXF file in the specified folder. The DXF file is essential for migrating into the Mod Center software. If sheet generation was chosen, the generated sheet will appear at the top of the list of sheets in the DTM panel project. As you can see, the Cutout add-on has precisely marked the areas for cutouts, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the production process. Additionally, default dimension tools are available to help you add dimensions on drawings that facilitate manufacturing. Properties can be edited for details such as font selection, style, and size.